welcome back to Outdoor Nation. I'm squinting because of the sun's in my eyes, but welcome back. Can't talk today. Welcome back to Outdoor Nation. On today, this beautiful Saturday, it's probably been like maybe a week since my last upload, maybe less. But recently, we've had possibly people trespassing on our property. For the past few weeks, I've been taking my dog Avalanche, which you're gonna see him in a minute. I've been taking him on patrols around the property, and I've already took him on one patrol. I usually take him on 2 patrols daily, and I forgot to get his leash, but you'll see that in a minute. But this is just mainly part of me walking around the property. Hey, buddy, and just looking for stuff. You also see a bunch of my property and everything. But yeah, if you want to see Avalanche, here he is. Avalanche. That's Avalanche. American Bulldog and red-nosed pit. He's solid white. That's why his name's Avalanche. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? I'm looking through my phone screen. That's why I was reluctant to pet him, because I didn't know where my hand was relative to real life. Hey, buddy. Now, he may look like an innocent baby in this video, but if someone he doesn't know comes up to him and we're outside, or comes up to him period within his range of biting, he will attack them. He has done it before. Someone that he didn't know, a friend of ours, well, she knew that he'd bite anyone he didn't know, and well, she decided to try and pet him. That was a mistake. She got bitten in the leg by him. It was a pretty bad mistake. We were outside too, so I made it worse. I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and while I pause the video, I'm gonna go eat his leash. I'll be right back, and I'm turning the phone around because I gotta pause the video. Alrighty, guys, I am back. Got leash. And here we go, going out there to see Avalanche. Everything on the camera is farther out than it actually is. It looks like he's far on the camera, but he's literally like 4 foot from me now. Now it looks like he's really close. I'm never gonna understand perspective of cameras. Move back. Hey, down. Sheesh. This is how he acts every time he gets off the chain. Come on. Come on, let's walk. No, get down. Untangle yourself. No, come on. Follow me. We're going to be walking around my property. Occasionally during the video, there might be a jump cut or two. My phone zoomed in? No, it's not zoomed in at all. Oh, Lord, but there might end up being a jump cut or two. Let's just get an angle of that sun. I don't know if you saw the sun or not. I'm trying to blind the viewers. Oh yeah, you can see the sun on there. Didn't know if you get Avalanche. Stop trying to kill yourself, buddy. Choking himself with the leash. This is our feeder. My great uncle TJ, call him Uncle TJ, shot many a deer at this feeder. Many a deer, and this dog right here tracked them down. You'll occasionally see him sniffing the ground because there's deer all through here. Occasionally you'll see him nearly jerk me off my feet. I pray that that he doesn't hear a deer, or I'm literally gonna be jerked off my feet. This feeder right there. We got a shooting house out there. Uh-oh. Oh, I was about to get jerked off my feet. He saw a bird. Oh, you can see it now. Hold on, let me just zoom in for you. That over there is my shooting house. Well, not my shooting house, but our shooting house. It's on our property. Hey, there he goes with the smelling. Deer like to come all through here. It's been nearly a week now since that video where the fool ran out of gas on me. I don't think I've gotten any comments yet, or any likes. I'm gonna be making a change. If I get at least 5 comments saying cabin on that last video, I'll go to that cabin. Alright, I'm changing it up. It doesn't have to be 15 likes anymore. Making it 3 likes, 3 cabin comments. 3 likes, 3 cabin comments. Little area where it's out. Got a food plot right there. This is a trail. Phone just lured me to something. Those are the neighbors' kids screaming. My sister's over there. If you see me suddenly fall down as avalanche starts to run, that is a defense mechanism that I'll be using to prevent him from running off. This right here goes to my papa's tree stand. If you see that one big tree right there in the middle of the screen, the one right there in the middle, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a tree stand on there. Probably can't see it. I'm gonna try to zoom in. That tree zoomed in on. It's got a tree stand on it. My papa's tree stand. What was his before he passed away? Passed away right before Christmas. I'm very sad, but also I'm glad. I'm glad that he's dead. Not in the sense I'm glad that he's gone. I'm very sad that he's gone, but he was in a lot of suffering. He had a stroke. He couldn't move. He could barely talk. He was in a nursing home with a feeding tube in his stomach. And I'm glad that all of his pain and suffering is over. He's in a better place now. Even if that better place is not here. Neighbor's house literally right there. Oh, there's a horse. Avalanche doesn't know what that horse is. I've got him. This leash is pretty sturdy. Oh. Marking his property. Come on. Get over here. That car hit something. Come on, avalanche. Area of our property. It turns. Come on. Stop peeing on everything. Ooh, this video is going on 7 minutes of raw footage. Man, I don't even think I'll have to edit this. Well, I will. I have to put it in my intro and outro. Guys, comment if you think I should get a different outro. Like, same music, or if I should keep same music on my outro, or change it, and if I should keep the same outro, or change my outro. To my friend, Junior Game TV, I was telling you about thousands of... Did you poop around here? I smell the stinkiest thing I ever smelled. But thousands of pine trees. Just 2 years ago, I remember these being no taller than a foot tall a few years ago. That one, I drug over here from way on the other side of our property. It's still sitting here, the pine straw. I don't know if you can see, but we got a lot of area. We're out here in the woods. I know you smell coyotes. No coyote hunting today. Stop it. But you can see pines as far as the eye can see. Well, the camera can see. You know, 10 minutes raw footage. Wow. Hey, stop it. Man, you know he really smells something. Because he is choking himself trying to get there. That's a four-wheeler path going, to the other side to where that, where that, deer stand is. This is our property. I'm doing this because most of my friends, some of my friends have never been over here to my house. I've always told them about my property and everything. And all that you guys are going to see is a walk around of around my property. I know it took me this long to walk around my property. Yeah, it is pines, 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 and all sorts of other trees. Right there is where my Uncle TJ's tree stand used to be. Down here is where water passes through. We got a creek going right through our property in the woods. creek right here. You can see four-wheeler marks because I ride through here all the time. Oh no, I just stepped in water. Now my socks are gonna be wet. I hate soggy socks. Doesn't everybody? Move faster, Avalanche. You nearly tripped me. More woods, sun. Road over there. Who knows, maybe we'll see a deer cross and see me fall on my face when the camera hits the ground. What, you tired, Avalanche? Oh, yes, you have to camera. You see right there? I don't know if you can tell, but that's a four-wheeler trail going through there. Right further down than my upholstery stand. Right here, the road is our backside of our property, or entrance to the road. No trespassing sign, you can't see it. Not really walk on the road, so I won't show it to you guys, but you can see another four-wheeler trail. Right here it breaks off going into our property because there's one going on the outside of our property, one going on the inside. I won't be exploring that because it gets really wet in there, and I don't have any waterproof gear at all. No boots, nothing. Come on. So you can sort of see the trail. There's a tree laying across the trail, but we usually jump that with a four-wheeler. Yes, I'm not lying, I actually jump it with a four-wheeler. But you can see our property along the road. What, Avalanche? He will talk to you. Oh, we'll talk to us. Mostly he barks at everyone else. Flip the four-wheeler right there, going up. Took it a little too wide, took the turn a little too wide. 12 minutes raw footage, nice. But yeah, my friend, Midget Man Gaming, little face cam for a second, but I'd be at his house, except that the fact that, car, but he's at work, so I'm not gonna be at his house. This is enough of this car coming. He just tried to go after that car. I don't know if you saw it, but he nearly pulled my arm out of socket after that car. Why stop peeing on everything? Ow, no. He just wrapped around my legs. It's smelling like a Beyblade. You can see in there, maybe you can, but there's water in there, where the creek runs out into our trail. Well, I won't go in there. I got a trail like right on the other side of these shrubs, if you can't already see. Right here you see it looks like someone's been through us me. Now you can really see in there where the water is, right in the middle of the view. Water all in there. This trail where on the four-wheeler was working, I would ride through there. Come on, I got weeds stuck to my feet now. Not weed, but weeds. Vines and all that. Come on. Someone else's property goes way down to the woods. If I could, I'd record in there. Nearly 14 minutes of raw footage, wow. Ground blind we have right there in another section of our property. And for this video, well, I could go on the road, but that'd be pretty dangerous and boring. Okay, guys. Just heard something. Just heard something in the woods. I'm kind of scared a little because I have no protection. Don't have my machete on my belt. And I don't have any protection. There's a tractor over there on our neighbor's property. Or our neighbor's in his tractor. Rode my bike through there one time. Hit a bump in my seat. Nearly went up into my spine because I was on my seat. Hit a hole and my whole seat went up and I went down. It was not in the least bit pleasant. Right there we got where the creek runs out and through. It goes over there. Fun story. I don't know if you can see, but there's probably still tire marks here. Some stupid people 2 years ago on Christmas were driving their car through here, lost control, plummeted straight right there in front of their car. That's before I really started my YouTube channel, but you can see where there was tire marks. Someone in a tractor had to come pull them out, but yeah, They got stuck in there. I bet their car was pretty messed up. Yeah. So you don't go fast going down that hill. It's a blind hill. You can't see where that hole is. But yeah, this is our property right here on this side going straight back up. I'm going to be walking on the inside so you won't be able to see the outside of my hut. But yeah. Oh, duck. Come on, Avalanche. So far, it's taken me 16 minutes to walk around my property. Right here, another trail going back through. The backside where that water is. Avalanche, come here. There you go, boy. Had to get leash out from under you. Where water used to come through. I'm saying because of the way it is. You see, it's been raining because right there at the bottom of my hut, water always flows under my hut. That's the reason it's so deep. Natural erosion from water. And more pines. Most of our property, all it is pines. Think about it in another 40 years when they grow to be big pines. There's gonna be a heck of a lot of trees that have fallen over in here. Move faster. You like to run as fast as you can when I'm on the four-wheeler riding. You want to chase me? Come on. Oh, and future projects for my hut are that I am going to, alright guys, sorry about that. Video size limit reached, but video's gonna be wrapping up soon anyway. This right here is my property. Future, project for my hut. Water storage and water filtration systems. Got a bunch of PVC pipe, and those buckets right there, I'm gonna use them as water filtration systems. This is a second segment that I'm going to be editing, and it was at like 16.5 minutes, and then my phone said video size limit reached. But yeah, this is my hut. Basic things. I got a whole roll of barbed wire for I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I haven't. Got something that would hold water. It's really primitive. I don't know what I'm using it for really, but I got my pulley system right there in my tree. Got my bridge and everything. Earlier this morning, my friend, Junior Gaming TV, was messaging me on Discord, saying, because I had this thing where I asked all my friends and everything about what they would like. I was asking my friend Junior Gaming TV and my other friend Midget Man Gaming about video ideas, because I have this thing on Discord. Comment down below with your email if you want to join Discord with us and want to produce videos. This is probably going to be a very short segment because I'm running out of space gradually. If I cut off, then that's probably going to be all I can record because I don't have any more apps that I don't need that I'm going to delete, because I've deleted 2 apps to get the last 2 segments in. But yeah, hopefully video will survive to where I put them back on the chain. If not, alright guys, this has been Outdoor Nation. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please comment below. Other than that, have a great day. Like and subscribe. Bye. Like a Hellcat.